Hello tech kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To continuing ChatGPT video series with MS Power Automate Desktop, today we will see how to create ChatGPT account to get API key. So watch this video till the end so that you can easily create ChatGPT account to get API key. One small request to you tech kids, if you are new in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe the Flying Automation YouTube channel for further update. So let's get started. Open any browser that is available on your PC and paste this URL and hit enter button. Once you will reach this page, here you can see there is two button is available. First one is login and second one is sign up. If you are new, then click on sign up, and if you have already a user, then click on login. So let's click on sign up, and after this here you can see you can mention your email address or continue with this option. So let's continue with Google, and after this here you can click on your Google account. After this here you can see your account is created. Just click on your profile. Here you can see the option view API key. Just click on it, and here you can see here is the option create new secret key. Just click on it, and here you can mention any name. So let's mention any name like my underscore API key, and click on create secret key, and here you can see just copy on it. Don't forget to copy and click on done. So this is the way you can create your account so that you can get your API key. Coming video we will see MS Power Automate Desktop integration with ChatGPT. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.